weeks ago, I told you guys that we were going to head to Tobago for a couple of days and do some spearfishing, some jet skis. We're going to do a little tour to Little Tobago. So right now we are on our way. We're going to board the boat and I'm going to see you guys inside the boat. So guys, we finally made it to Tobago. So we are about to depart the boat and we'll see you guys on the outside. So guys, we finally made it to the hotel. We'll be walking up to the front desk of the hotel. So guys, we are here in our little hotel room here for the night. This is the bedroom, set up 3 beds here. There's a nice little closet area here. And here we have a shower and a toilet and bath here. Outside here we have a single bed here. We have a nice little kitchen here. Oh, we have another shower and toilet here. Okay, nice. On our way to the restaurants to get something to eat because it's after 8. So there's, oh, that's a nice statue there. The kids are going by. Nice.